So I've got these plans that I brought into my project. I use the annotation tool to kind of roughly sketch out what I can expect to see where. Uh, and I guess I'm ready to start trying to build a house. I could do it traditionally, building it the way you'd expect, using a cube and extruding things out and so forth. But there happens to be an add-on that's pretty sweet. I haven't worked with it much, but let's take a quick look at it. So if you don't have it, it's called Archimesh. And if you go to Preferences and type in ARCH, it's going to show up. Check the box, and then you have it. From there, if you go to the Create tool, it should be showing up on the top of your 3D view. And I can click down and open it up, and I can start adding things. Just as a case, we can add a room. I can say, let's say 3 walls, very small walls right now, but we can remedy that by adjusting the length. I can do it this way, I can do it that way, or I can type in an actual value. Let's do that with the second wall, and let's do that with the third wall. Okay, so it's by default, it does a zigzag pattern. If I go to advanced, I can adjust the angle. So that's all great. If I want to put in a whole number, let's go to wall 3, advanced, and let's see, 180 degrees. So you can also add all manner of other things. It's really pretty cool. You can quickly and easily add windows, doors, so forth. Now, of course, my walls were very short, uh, so that looks a little wonky. But the point is, I can make these walls as high as I want. There's a feature where I can actually punch holes into the wall to account for the doors, the windows, and so forth. I can add stairs and so on. Now, obviously, what I'm doing is quick and dirty, so it's not necessarily looking like the floor plan that we have here. So I'll come back to that. The first thing I need to do is you will note that all of the items are showing up where the 3D cursor is. So the next thing I'll need to do is put the 3D cursor where I'd like to actually start building. So I'll do that next.